Hi everybody, it's Mr. D at In the Middle with Mr. D1 at blogspot.com. We are at the 4.5 week halfway point preparation for our adjudication, which is going to be in early March. So today is a good day to kind of evaluate where we are. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing with my students, where we are, and what we're going to do today to kind of refocus everybody. So first of all, we're doing dynamics in our written warm-ups instead of S cubed. We go to S cubed after that. So I'm helping them notice the things because they're still holding the music, notice where the dynamic marks and start to do them on their own. And then I'm getting all of their permission slips in order. They have been sent on Remind and Google Classroom. I've asked for chaperones. I sent a Gmail sign-up genius to the parents. They are gonna be getting them into me by Friday of this week for planning purposes. And then afterwards, we're gonna do our vocal warm-up. And then after the vocal warm-up, we're gonna do I'm gonna remind them the judge's rubric. Like this is what they're rated on, right? And then earlier in the 9 weeks, I showed them this like the first day, but now it will be useful for them to be able, I just kind of summed up what our rubric says. And they're gonna use that. And then I'm gonna record them. They're 2 songs, the same way we'll sing them at festival. Fast song first, slow song second. And then that's a voice memo. I'm just gonna do it on my iPhone. And then I'm going to set up the competition. First of all, we're gonna let them give the ratings that they gave. I'm gonna just have them shout them out after, talk about the things that they heard. It's a moment of awakening for all of us, for myself included, about what we need to work on. And I'll make a list of those things as we're listening. So they just listen, and then I type stuff up, and they see me typing it after I have shown them my ratings. So that is, I'm going to list their ratings there. 8th grade, got one set up for each class, and song 1 and song 2, so they can see. And that goes to 7th grade girls, 7th grade boys, song 1, song 2. So the good thing about having all that up 6th grade as well is that as the day goes, I get to show them the ratings for the different classes. I set up some competition, which is good. They're also going to be doing their S cube sight singing right after the vocal warm-up. My current 6th and 7th graders are on lesson 21. They're about almost done with that one. So with the weeks that we have left, I will double up some weeks, and so we can get to lesson 28 before the end. My 8th graders are currently doing Sight Reading Factory. They're doing a rhythm exercise every day. I love Sight Reading Factory. If you're going to use it, make sure you use the promo code S cubed, and you'll get a 10% discount. And then this is the one they're doing for this is about the level they'll be sight reading at festival. So it's level 4 of SAB on Sight Reading Factory. So that's what we got going. I'm not going to score their sight singing today, but I am scoring their songs. And then that will become my lesson plan for the next week. Everything I'll go through and check off the things that I listed, and I'll prioritize them after I've heard everything. So that's what we're doing, keep everybody focused. Meanwhile, on some days, I'm doing musical theater music with them because we have to break it up because, 9 weeks is a long time for 2 songs, and I don't want to overkill. All right, you guys have a good day.